Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called SCOR model. It is nothing but Supply Chain Operations Reference Model. It is designed to evaluate the supply chain for effectiveness and efficiency of sales and operational planning. Supply chain is complex and SNOP implementation can be difficult, but the SCOR model is intended to help standardize the process and create a measurable way to track the results. It works across the industry using common definition that apply to any supply chain processes. Using the SCOR model, businesses can judge how advanced or mature a supply chain process is and how well it aligns with the business goal. Originally developed in 1996 by management consulting firm PRTM, SCOR is endorsed by Supply Chain Council, which is now a part of Association for Supply Chain Management ASCM, formerly known as APIX. The SCOR model is based on 6 management processes. First one is plan. Planning process include determining resources, requirement, and the chain of communication for the process to ensure it aligns with the business goal. Second one is source. Source process involve obtaining goods and services to meet planned or actual market demand. Third one is make. This includes processes that take finished product and make them market ready to meet plan or actual demand. Next process is deliver. Any processes involved in delivering finished goods and services to meet either planned or actual demand fall under this heading, including order, transportation, and distribution management. Return process or you involved with the returning or receiving return product either from customers or suppliers. The final process is enable. This includes processes associated with the SEM such as business rules, facilities, performance, data resources, contracts, compliance, and risk management. There are 3 levels. Level 1 is defining scope, including geographies, segment, and context. At this level, the focus is on the 6 main process configuration like plan, source, make, deliver, return, and enable. Level 2 is the configuration of the supply chain, including geographies, segment, and product. At level 2, metrics are high level and evaluated across multiple SCOR processes. This level includes subtype category that fall under parent category found in level 1. Level 3, process element detail, identifying key business activity within a chain. At this level, you can associate any level 2 process or subcategory with the level 3 process. Thanks for watching. Bye.